Good morning, guys. Today is January 16th and I'm back to school. So I have my first day back today and I thought I would vlog it for you guys. I love watching these. I think you guys like watching these, like school vlogs or just vlogs in general. I figured maybe something eventful will happen in these first couple days back to school, but if not, you know, just enjoy that I'm back to school. So I have a 9 a.m. today. I have that every day. My body is not used to being up this early right now. My roommate Sonia has an 8 a.m. right now, so please pray for her. And I'm just sitting here. I have some green tea and lemon and then some oatmeal. Today is an easy day though. I only have 2 classes. I'm done by like noon-ish, so that's a plus. I'm just gonna take you guys along today and see what happens. So I hope you guys enjoy this and let's get our day started. For a hot minute, I forgot I was vlogging today and yeah, I just remembered because I had iMovie up on my computer so I wouldn't forget. And yeah, so I survived my first class. It was only an hour long, so not bad. And it was Korean, and I literally forgot everything. I haven't spoken Korean in a month now, and oh my god, we had to do introductions in front of the class, and I was like, all right. And then we had to introduce other people, and I was like, all right. And just like everything, we had like a written worksheet, and I like really did not remember anything, and it was interesting. So this first week back is going to be very interesting. I'm about to go to my second class, which starts at 11:15. I'm nervous for this one because I've heard that the professor is not that great. I had a friend take this class last semester. It's a speech language hearing sciences class, so I'm excited for that, but I'm nervous and I don't really know where this building is, so I'm gonna leave pretty soon here. It's 10:50 in hopes that I find it. It's kind of far, I think. But yeah, that's my update. I really did forget I was vlogging and I was just gonna do my thing. But yeah, I wrote all my like exams and stuff on my calendar and I'm a little overwhelmed, but I think it'll be good. And I feel so tired. Like, I don't know if I'm like emotionally and physically just drained, but like my eyes feel so heavy right now and it's not good. I already had caffeine today too. So let's hope this day goes good. So I finished with my second class of the day. Now I'm on my way back to the dorm to eat lunch with my friends. Taco Tuesday! I literally look like Rudolph. Oh, it's cold. This is his YouTube debut. Yeah. Yes, he ridiculed me sophomore year for making videos.
I didn't ridicule you.
It's okay.
You just never told me about it.
I'm okay. Okay.
I was just surprised you never told me about it.
Here is a meal description because he has a lot going on.
We started out with 2 tacos right here.
2 tacos each. Okay.
Another taco. So we're at
6 tacos.
Oh yeah, 2 tacos each.
Yeah, 6 tacos.
Another 2
8 tacos.
Another
10 tacos.
Another taco.
And then another.
Actually, one was a grilled cheese sandwich, so it'll be.
So, math.
Over 10 tacos.
Over 10 tacos and a grilled cheese.
And a Gatorade. That's just the way.
That's college right there.
Can I be in it? And I'm back.
And Alyssa's back to her normal
No puppy
self.
cheeks.
No puppy cheeks. And she's looking good. Looking good. We survived our first day classes.
Do you guys want to see this great college meal? Okay, let me explore. Broccoli, potatoes, sugar cookie, which isn't even good because it's burnt. Watch. Oh, wait, did you? Oh, that was kind of nice. It's gonna be burnt.
Hashtag college. It is the next day and I'm on my way to my first class. It's Korean. It's 9 a.m. and it's nippy out. I just got done with my second class of the day. I have 3 classes today. It was child psychology, which is so far my major. I like it. I made a few friends. Yeah, it should be good. Now I'm just on my way back to the dorm. We're back at lunch, always eating.
Seriously, though.
We got Nadia and Sonia and Alyssa joining us.
Actually, she's not. So.
Oh, just kidding,
Just got
Alyssa. We miss you.
Take a bite. Let's see. Okay, so the cuisine today, just this taco, but it's a chicken taco. And it has corn and beans and some mystery sauce in it. I'm scared to eat the mystery sauce.
We're not sure.
You're really getting into this.
I am about to go to my third and final class of the day. It's Children and Youth in the Society. I'm pretty excited, even though it's just like syllabus week. But I'm pretty excited for this class in general because it leads towards my major, like all of mine really do. But after this, I'm actually going home. This is probably more information. I'm not going to get too in-depth about it for some personal reasons. But I hope you guys enjoyed this really short vlog and little taste of what it's like to be back on campus. And I'll be sure to do more vlogs and college vlogs, especially in the future. But I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm actually going to cut it off here just because I just have one more class and then I'm going home. So not very exciting. But I hope you guys enjoyed and I will see you guys next time. Bye.